In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate with Wayfair, complete with helpful tips for getting approval through CJ. Before we dive in, make sure you're ready by having your preferred web browser open. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open up our web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Wayfair Affiliate Program. This search will bring up the most relevant results relating to Wayfair's affiliate opportunities. As the results populate, you should see one that directly points to the Wayfair Affiliate Program page. Go ahead and click on this link to proceed. Once you're on the Wayfair Affiliate Program page, you'll want to scroll down to locate their affiliate section. You might have to scroll a bit, so don't worry if it doesn't jump out at you right away. When you find the section, look for a button or a link that says Learn More and give that a click. This is where you'll gather the crucial details about what Wayfair offers to its affiliates. As you explore this section, you should notice an option to join for free now. This is your call to action. Click on it to start the sign-up process. On the sign-up page, continue by selecting your preferred language. This ensures you'll be comfortable navigating through the entire process. With the language selected, it's now time to pick your country from the drop-down menu provided. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Be sure to choose a secure password you can remember and then confirm it just to be certain everything matches. With your login credentials set, it's time for a quick security check. You'll need to click on I'm not a robot, which may include a brief CAPTCHA challenge, just to verify that you are indeed a real person signing up. Following this, you'll receive an email to verify your email address. Head over to your inbox, find that email, and click the link inside to complete the verification step. After verification, you'll be redirected to a page with the terms and conditions for Wayfair's affiliate program. It's very important that you read through these terms carefully. When you're ready, check the box to accept the agreement, confirming that you understand and agree to their policies. Now, with everything set, click Continue to Account. You're right at the finish line now. What's left is logging into your newly created account using the email and password you just set up. And there you have it. You are now part of the Wayfair affiliate family with all tools and resources at your disposal to start promoting Wayfair's products. Thanks for watching and happy affiliating.